Hey there, my trading friends. It's Thursday, March 10th, 2022. We've got a double trade for you today because, not shockingly, we got a short put again from Tasty Trade's Cherry Bomb that we got in our email today. Didn't get that email? Then you're not signed up for Cherry Bombs from Tasty Trade. Link in the description down below. Not an affiliate link. It's just a place or way for you to go get signed up to get 4 emails a week with trade ideas in case you want to trade with us. All right, so Microsoft MSFT has a liquidity rank out of 44, and it has a strong positive correlation to the SPYs with a 0.7 on that one. It's got an IV rank of 59, and did I say it was liquid? It was very liquid. Cool. All right, so the short put today is going to have us risking, let's call it $25,000. That may not be the kind of position you want to take on or are capable of taking on based on your account size. So we're going to look at the short put as it was sent to us and put that in our margin account because it won't use all of our buying power. But we're also going to put an alternative trade on in our IRA account, there it is, so that we can test it out using less capital where, you'd have to be able to put up that much capital as just how IRA accounts work, right? So if you're interested, cool. If not, I guess you're going. Bye. Here we go. For those of you that are still with me. Thanks for watching, by the way, to the end of my videos. It does help so much. You can see that we're inside of Thinkorswim Simulated Trading, so we can get all the learning without any of the risk. But when you're ready to risk your real dollars, you have your previous experiences. You know what to expect. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at this chart. We can see that Microsoft has been on a downtrend. It has hit a bottom, it's come back up, it's hit a bottom again. Are we doing a double bottom? I don't know. Or are we going to continue on downward? So some would say the trend is your friend, but this to me is all nobody knows anything territory. So let's go over to this Analyze tab. Here I have the monthly, April monthlies pulled up 35 days to expiration. I hit the bid for the 250 put. We're selling one put here. 250 strike, April monthlies, collecting $2.67 per share. That's $267 of maximum profit. Of course, 250 times 100 is 25,000 minus the $267 of credit that we received would be our max loss. And of course, we always go into our trades knowing our max possible profit and max possible loss, and also our probability. So this is the trade as sent to us. With the risk profile here, I have set our date in the top right corner to match the date in blue in the bottom left corner. So that gives us our expected move here. And then I set the price slice to break even at expiration. That gives us an 86.24% probability of profit at expiration. So let's go ahead and, just in case you don't know, you click this little menu icon here, and my menu does not show up for whatever reason. And so we're going to go down to where it says right here, set slices. I know it doesn't say that for you, but I promise if you're following along, it'll say set slices. You want to move your mouse over and then up to where it says break even, and then I choose the April 14th. And this is all in your imagination. I know you can't see it. There it is. I just clicked it and it moved it again. So it's 86.48% probability of profit, according to Thinkorswim right now. So we're going to go ahead and right click this trade down here, choose confirm and send. And then I'm going to show you what the confirm and send is again, and that is 267 is the max profit, to $24,733, which I rounded to a max risk of $25,000. I'm going to go just back one quick second to show you what I showed before. There's the menu icon I was telling you about. Set slices, break even, blue, right? And when I said I was going to right click the trade and choose confirm and send, there's the confirm and send. All right, just want to make sure, in case you're new and this is something you're just getting into, welcome, by the way. All right, we can go ahead and right click it again, confirm and send. We're going to send that bad boy. Now, we go overhead, we're here, and we're going to switch over to Tastyworks again so I can pull up an alternative trade for you. For those of you that are working in an IRA and don't want to use all your buying power in one trade, right? So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Now, here's what we're left with. A Tasty trade mechanic is, if you're doing a vertical, is to sell the 30 delta and buy the next one below it, right? Or depending on how wide you can tolerate. However, if you do that here in Microsoft, you're not going to collect the other Tasty trade mechanic, which is 1/3 the width of the strikes. To get 1/3 the width of the strikes, you're going to have to sell out the money. So to get what I'll call close to 1/3 the width. We'll go to the 280 put, sell that. We want to click on the ask to buy the 275, and you'll see it would be nice if we got $165. But in this case, we can collect $150. Our max loss instead of $24,700 is only $350. Should this Microsoft go down and keep going down, right, in the next 35 days. We have a probability of profit of making half of our profit, of 72% chance of us making $75 somewhere in the next 35 days and washing our hands of Microsoft. We only have a probability of profit, though, at expiration of 54%. So if these values are not something, remember, you don't have to trade every day. If this is not, or you can, but maybe you don't have to do this trade. It's all good. But because we do this in simulated trading, I'd like to try the one where we go for the 1/3 the width of the strikes. Rather than improving my probabilities, I want to try the 1/3 the width strike. And we'll see how that theory goes, right? So let's switch back over to Thinkorswim and then switch over to the IRA account. And we're going to go add simulated trade. We're going to do 275. I think that's what we had, right? I'm going to get this right. 280. 280. Although it has 280 as at the money right now. So yeah, we'll go with it as it was built in Tastyworks and see what happens. There we go. I've got my $150 credit set here for the Microsoft short put vertical. Gonna right click that, choose confirm and send. Oh, no, not what I did. Risk profile. There we go. That's how we do this. All right. 53, 54-ish% probability profit at expiration, just like we saw on Tastyworks. All right, now I'm gonna right click, choose confirm and send. I'm gonna bring that up for you to see. There it is. $150 max profit, $350 max loss. If that's the kind of thing that can help you sleep at night, then I think you should go for it. But then again, what I think doesn't matter. It's what you think. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below if you're going to pick any of these trades to do or a modified version, one that I didn't do. Love to hear from you. All right, everybody. I'm going to hit send. That throws that in. So we got 2 trades on today. Let's see which one performs better or faster, etc. All right. Until I see you in tomorrow's final cherry bomb of the week, everybody, may the market be with you.